Male rhinoceroses often engage in aggressive fights to establish dominance and secure mating rights with females. These battles are a natural part of their behavior, driven by competition for reproductive success. Here is a detailed explanation of the process. Male rhinos typically maintain home ranges and establish dominance hierarchies. Larger, stronger males generally have a higher chance of winning these battles. Dominance is crucial for gaining access to fertile females during mating seasons. Dominance is often determined through direct combat, displays of aggression, and sometimes posturing. Before engaging in direct physical conflict, rhinos may engage in ritualized displays of aggression to intimidate their rivals. This may include head shaking and snorting, flaring their nostrils, posturing to show size and strength, charging toward each other but stopping short of actual physical contact. These displays can serve as a way to avoid unnecessary injury, with the more dominant male potentially backing down without a full confrontation. If the displays don't resolve the conflict, the males engage in physical combat. Rhino fights are intense and can be dangerous, sometimes leading to serious injury or death. The combat usually involves head-to-head clashes. Males use their horns as weapons. The horns are used to push, jab, and potentially injure the opponent. Body ramming. Males may charge at each other and collide with their bodies, trying to knock the other off balance. Biting and kicking. In addition to using their horns, rhinos may bite or kick during the fight, adding another layer of aggression. The males attempt to overpower each other by leveraging their size, strength, and agility. The dominant male generally pushes the other to retreat. The male that succeeds in driving the other away becomes the dominant individual and secures access to the female for mating. After the battle, the victorious male may display his dominance by marking his territory with urine, feces, or scent marking. The defeated male typically retreats, often nursing wounds and bruises but with the potential to challenge again in the future. Once the dominant male has defeated his rival, he may have several opportunities to mate with the female. However, rhinos don't necessarily mate immediately after a fight. A dominant male will often follow the female for a time, displaying courtship behaviors and ensuring that no other males interfere. The female might not be receptive to mating immediately, so the dominant male has to court her, which can involve rubbing against trees or other objects and performing specific movements. Fighting over mating rights can occur frequently in environments where multiple males overlap in their ranges, especially in areas with abundant resources. In some cases, males may fight for access to particular females that are in estrus or are of higher reproductive value. Conclusion: male rhino fights are intense and driven by the need to secure reproductive success. These battles reflect the biological imperative of securing mates and passing on genetic material. While some battles end in injury or death, they are an essential part of the rhino's life cycle and serve to maintain the genetic health and social structure of the species.